Are you looking to twist things in the kitchen? Like, stop making the regular and just make something different that the whole family is going to love. This can serve for lunch, can serve for simple dinner, and the most important part is it can serve for school lunch because your kids are going to love and appreciate this a lot. The taste, the flavor, everything is on 100, and I need you all to try it. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you how I make this simple but delicious coconut concoction rice. And yeah, as you can see, I added some oil in my pot and I added panla fish. I noticed I have smoked catfish in my fridge, just a piece. I deboned everything. Make sure you debone if your kids are eating. I deboned it very well. I washed it and yeah, I added it to my oil, okay? And I'm just going to stir fry it because I want the fish flavor to release into the oil, just to give us this very flavorful base. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to show you what I did next. Please don't go anywhere, keep watching. And yes, if you are coming to my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe, click on notification bell so you don't miss any interesting video. And if you are my OG, thank you so much for always coming back. Enjoy this video guys, it's very much self-explanatory. So guys, my sincerest apology, I didn't know my phone wasn't recording at this point, but what I did, I added my coconut milk and I saved up some chicken broth from earlier. I added a cup of that and I added some crayfish. So now I'm adding my seasoning cube. I actually added the chicken broth before adding my seasoning because I want to make sure the taste balanced. Okay, so now I'm adding a bit of seasoning. I added salt, and yeah, that's my crayfish powder on top of it. And this is basically just your regular seasoning at home. If you don't have chicken broth, you can go ahead and add water, plain water, and just top it up with a lot of seasoning, like fish seasoning, whatever seasoning you want to add, you understand. So this is the brand of coconut milk I use, Sunripe, and yeah, I like this brand a lot. It tastes really perfect, like the taste is so good. And also I went ahead to add the little bit of coconut flavor. This normal coconut flavor you can use for your chinchin or your cake, yeah, that one. So that something clove, yeah, I added that, and just to boost the coconut flavor, because I want the flavor to actually burst out. So that's all I added. And yeah, I'm going to top it up with some water because I'm not using basmati rice, I'm using short grain rice, and yeah, this takes long to cook, so I'm adding a bit of water. And yeah, that's basically everything. Add your fried fish and cover it, and just leave it on medium low heat, just so it doesn't burn. Okay, so I actually like mine very dry. I don't like wet coconut rice at all. So you can see the sides of mine, it's actually very dry. And at this point the rice is ready, guys. If you perceive the flavor in your kitchen, you will understand that this rice tastes good. See, the taste of this rice is amazing. Your kids will take it to school, and once they open their food flags, it's going to be burst of flavor everywhere. My own daughter loves it, and I know your kids and husband, your family as a whole, they are going to love it. Give it a try. It's so simple to make, as you can see. Go ahead and use any fish of choice. I had panla and dried catfish, and that was what I used. You can go ahead and fry some fresh fish and use, but yeah, that is what I used. Okay, so let me know what you think about this recipe. Go to the comment section and leave me a comment letting me know if you are going to try this. Yeah, you need to. Okay, it's a sure one, you need to try it. It's very nice. Don't be making your regular rice. Go ahead and give it a twist. Yeah, as you can see, this didn't take long at all. Maximum 20 minutes, you are done in the kitchen with everybody enjoying their meal. Thank you so much for always. I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye. Wait to see what this looks like. Okay.